We're proud to share our most recent 5-star review. Our company's staff works hard to go the extra mile, so these positive reviews are very motivating. And that's what one customer had to say about their experience with our business. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one. We enjoy sharing them with our team members and customers. It's extremely encouraging and validating. Plus, it's a great testament to our commitment to customer satisfaction. So if you're seeking a company that's focused on customer satisfaction and high-quality service, we're your choice. We're confident that you'll walk away a very satisfied customer. Thank you for dropping in today. We're looking forward to doing business with you. We're only one call away from serving you.